So you are given this equation, y is equal to x squared, and then your head goes crazy. Your head go crazy, and like, how am I gonna do this guy? How am I gonna solve this guy? You know. So, well, the way you solve them, the question that you should ask yourself, what am I dealing with? Here you're dealing with function of y is equal to x squared, right? So this can also be written as f of x is equal to x squared, like this. So basically that does represent the shape of a graph. You know, you can be able to also do this. Someone can give you g of x is equal to x squared, or r of x is equal to x squared. So this can have different subject. You know, it's up to you what you choose to do. So basically, x squared represent a shape like this. You know, this is a shape that you get. That's an x squared. But if you say y is equal to x, and that shape that you're gonna get, this is a shape that you're gonna get. Because you get a straight line that passes at the origin. So the origin is the point where the y and x um, intercept meet. So here, so it's 0 and 0, which is x and y. So this is will be your 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 y is equal to x, and this will be your y is equal to x squared, because this is curvy, right? Well, you can get this by um, maybe using a table, you know. Okay, so the table can look like this, where you have your x and here you have your y, and you can, it's more like a number line sort of, right? This look ugly, but yeah. So you can start from 0 and then go to maybe you can start from here as -2, and this is -1. This is 1 and 2, right? And then what you're gonna do, since you are, let's just start with y is equal to x squared, like this. You get it? Well, what is your x here? So we can start by finding the coordinates of y when x is -2. So when you take this -2 and put it here, where x is equal to -2. So what you're gonna get, you're gonna have -2 all squared. And this will give you x, oh sorry, y is equal to, if you have -2, you can have -2, since there are two minus 2's, so you're gonna have -2 here as well. So this will give you minus times minus, give you plus, and then 2 times 2 give you 4. So here you're gonna have 4, right? Yeah, and then you do the same for -1. So you're gonna have y is equal to -1 all squared, and this will give you have 2 minus 1's, this will give you 1, right? Like this. They take that 1 and put it here. So -1 give you 1, positive 1. And then 0, you're going to do the same. So you get y is equal to 0 all squared. That will give you 0, because of 0 times 0 and give you 0, right? And then you do, so you're going to put your 0 here, and you do the same for 1. Y is equal to 1 all squared. So here you're going to have 1 times 1, and then you're going to have 1. So that's going to go here. You have 1, right? And 2, you're going to do the same as well. So y is equal to 2 times 2. Oh, okay. Okay, so I jump a step here. I meant like 2 all squared, right? Yeah, so you're going to have 2 times 2. This gives you 4. So that's what you're going to get. So you're going to put 4 here. Well, you have all the coordinate now. So if you want to plot this, you're going to obviously have your thing, your your x-intercept and y-intercept. It's good to label all of them so that when someone mark your exam, they can see that you understand what you're doing. So you can put your coordinate 0 to 0 here, and then start plotting your points that you have on your table. So here's your table. This is your table. So this is going to be your -2 and -1, and this is 1 and this is 2, right? Since we have 4 here, we have to also do our y-intercept here. So here you can have -1, -2y, -3y, -4, right? And here you can have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. That's +4. Hope you see that. So then you start plotting the coordinates you have. Here, this is what you got. You have -2 and 4. When x is -2, what is y? Y is 4. So your coordinate will go here, right? And when x is -1, what is y? So it's going to be here, right? When x is 1, when x is 0, what happened to y? Y is 0. So this way you go.